In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Amazon Seller Central with Make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is prepare your Amazon Seller Central account. To do this, open your web browser and log into your Amazon Seller Central account. It's crucial to ensure that you're signed into the correct seller account. While you're there, take a moment to note which specific marketplace region you are managing, as the steps may vary slightly based on your location. Once you've got that squared away, we can move on to creating a scenario in Make, so go ahead and log into your Make.com account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quick and easy. Once you're in, look for the button that says Create Scenario. Click on that to open a blank automation canvas where the magic will happen. Now, we'll need to find the Amazon module to connect it with your Seller Central account. On that blank canvas, there's a search feature that will help you out. Type in Amazon Seller Central or Amazon SP API, which stands for Selling Partner API, and select the option that fits with your particular plan. There might be different options listed, so make sure you pick the right one that corresponds with what you need. Next, we have to authorize the connection. When Make prompts you to add a connection, you'll see an option that says Add a new connection. Go ahead and click that. A secure Amazon login pop-up window will appear. If you find that you can't see it, just double-check that your browser allows pop-up windows. This is an important step because it's how we will connect your Make automation to your Amazon seller account. Once the pop-up appears, go ahead and sign in as you normally would. If your account uses two-factor authentication, which is highly recommended for security, you'll need to complete that as well. Just follow the prompts to verify your identity. Now that you're logged in, it's time to grant the necessary permissions. Review the permissions screen that appears next. Amazon will ask you to allow Make to securely access your selling data, and it's important to read through what access you're giving. If everything looks good and you're ready to move forward, click on the Allow button to finalize the integration. And just like that, you now have automated the connection between Amazon Seller Central and Make.com. Take a moment to celebrate this achievement. With this setup, you can start creating more complex workflows to automate your tasks, like tracking inventory, sending alerts, or reporting sales. Thanks for sticking with me through these steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. You can look forward to more tutorials that will help streamline your business processes and make your life a little easier. Happy automating!